two sizes of MaskIT. The large MaskIT has been designed for pads, wrappers, and applicators. The small MaskIT has been designed specifically for use with tampons. However, they both work exactly the same way. There are a few things you're going to want to remember when inserting your hand into the MaskIT pouch. The first is that you will want the logo and the tape to be on the back side of your hand. Then you will insert your thumb into the other side, creating this puppet pocket function, which allows you to easily remove a tampon with your hand covered. You'll simply grab the MaskIT from the tape side, invert it up and over everything, remove the liner, and press and seal. For the pad size MaskIT, you're going to insert your hand the same way. So remember that the logo and the tape will be going onto the back side of your hand. Then your thumb will go into the other side, again creating that puppet pocket function, allowing you to now remove your pad with your hand covered very easily. Simply hold on to your pad, grab the MaskIT from the tape side, invert up and over everything, remove the liner, fold it over to press and seal. And again, now it is safe to discard into a receptacle. Clean and easy.